can ask him to play, but don't be mean. Yeah. Look at this.
Woohoo! Yay! Aiden, scoot over a little bit, baby, so I can get her picture walking.
Come here, Hank. You get so good for him. She is not happy about it.
But she's doing good. She's walking about 3 or 4 steps.
Atta girl, good job. Nope. Emily. Emily, stop. Come on.
Emily, get back a little. Yeah.